Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about things in real life. And lately that's been a lot of makeup and makeup panning. So if that is something you are interested in, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Today I have an update for 50 Shades of Green. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project. The Pantastic Ladies are a group on Facebook, in case you don't know, and they created this project. Well, the project was created by Jessica Lee, Amanda, and Cece, and the color of the year was voted on all the members of the Pantastic Ladies collab group on Facebook. It started a couple years ago with 50 Shades of Pink, and last year was 50 Shades of Purple, this year 50 Shades of Green. And the idea behind this project is to pan 50 green items, whether it's makeup, skincare, health, fragrance, you'll see candles, you'll see products, any products that have green in some way, shape, or form. So without further explanation and tongue twisting and word tying, let's get into the update. So I've decided to bring in 10 products at the intro, and then each update I have been bringing in 5 more, gradually working my way up to 50 products. That way I don't have, 1, a lot of products sitting around in a very small space, and 2, I can focus on the products I have a little bit better than being overwhelmed by all 50. So, going down my list of the order I brought them in, Not Your Mother's green tea and matcha, apple blossom and green tea conditioner. I have not started using that. I just filled my travel bottle with it for the first time, so that is starting to get some work, but has not actually been used yet. And I don't know if there'll be any visible progress noticeable because it is in the new refillable, or not, new pouch. So yeah. The next product was my Alba Botanical Very Emollient Shave Cream in Coconut Lime. It is in a green package and limes are green. I brought this in. My goal is to use it up. When we started the project, it was up here. I had used it probably once before. Since the intro, I've used it 3 times. I've used it twice in the last month, and I am able to make a mark right about here. So, slow and steady. You know, if I keep that up, I might, well, it's going to get fatter, so who knows? It's probably going to be in here the whole project. I remembered to use it this time, but it's not something that's necessary in my routine, so I forget to use it sometimes. But it is making progress. Next is my Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream and Citrus Spritz. And this is this guy here. I brought it in and I think it was brand new. It is now empty. My first empty. Yes, I squeezed and squeezed and squeezed and squeezed until I couldn't get anything else out, and it is all gone. Not something I would purchase again. It was okay. It had green in the package right there, and it's citrus. So yeah, that's an empty. I used it 13 times over the last month, and I'd used it 21 times prior, so that brings me to 34 uses altogether to finish this guy up. We'll see if that tracks because I am working on another one in another project now. I love my hand cream. Alright, next up is the Goldfadden MD Solution Detox Clarifying and Clear Mask. This little deluxe sample size a clay mask. I brought it into the project. It was up here. I used it twice and got down to here. And then in the last month I've used it one more time and it is all gone. My second completed goal. Yay! Awesome. So yay, 2 out of 15. That leaves 13 to go. So let's continue on and see what the next one looks like. Next, I have my I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers palette in Lucky is the colorway. It is green. And I chose to work on the first 3 shades on this side, shade 1, 4, and 7. And so far this month I used shade 1 twice, bringing me to a total of 4 uses. These are all in for 20 uses. So I have 4 out of 20 for that one. Shade in the middle, shade 4, I did not use this month. And then down here at the bottom, shade 7, I used once. They are both on my eyes today. I have shade 1 in the outer corner and then shade 7 on the inner half of my lid underneath another shadow. So that brings me to 4 total uses, 3 uses, and 3 uses. The next item is from my Sapphire for September by BH Cosmetics. I brought in the shade Confidence. I did not use it this month at all. Yeah, I don't know why. I guess I was just busy working on other shadows and not wearing much makeup. But I do have 2 out of 20 uses in the project so far. So it's a start. And then lastly, for the introduction, I brought in 2 nail polishes, an LA Colors polish called Lucky. It is in fluorescent green. Have not worn it this month. And then the Sinful Colors polish in Rise and Shine. I have used it once this month, bringing it to 2 uses. They're both in for 10 uses. Alright, next up is Fruit of the Earth Aloe Vera Gel. I did not use it at all this month. And then Things with More Progress. I have my Bergamot and Sage candle by Chesapeake Candle Company. I brought it into the project. It was up here. As you can see, it is now down here. I burned it 5 times this month. Woohoo! I don't know if you can see in there. You can see it a little bit. The wick has a tendency to split, which is kind of annoying. Let me see if I can get that better angles. Yeah, and I don't know why. I mean, it's burning cleanly for the most part. It is a bit smoky, but it's cleaning. It smells. It's burning. It smells nice, and yeah, I just trim the wick every time. And keep going. Just noticed there was some gunk on the side. Alright, next is my nail polish remover by Q-Tex in Nourishing. It is this guy here, and I brought it into the project. It was up there. We are down here now. I have used it 4 times this month. I change my nail polish weekly, and that's 4 weeks. So yeah, that steady progress. It should be done by the finale, if not sooner. We'll see. It does get wider at the bottom. And then finally last month I brought in 2 more nail polishes. One was from Law in Net Worth How Much. I have not worn it. And the other one was from Avon in Teal Waters, and I have not worn it. I wore polishes, just not ones in this project. So it is time now to roll in 5 new products. Now some of these are gimmies, and some of them are not. And none of them are makeup. So let's get into the 5 products I am rolling in this month. The first off is my Queen Helene's Mint Julep mask. This is just a travel size. I bought this a long time ago. I used to use this very regularly and loved it, and I bought this a long time ago. And yeah, I have never used it. It's like brand new, nice and clean, never been used. So this has 2 ounces in it. I have to read really fine print. 2 ounces in it, and my goal is to use it up. I just used up the other one, so that's not a problem. And speaking of face masks, next up we have a sheet mask. This one is by Yvette. This is the Daily Fresh Squeeze. And what is the... I think this one is lychee. Yes, and Soothing Lychee. It has some dark green on the leaves, on the packaging, and of course my goal is to use this. It's a sheet mask. It's great. And then another sheet mask coming in. This one is from the Creme Shop. This is a turmeric and matcha green tea fusion mask, and of course to use that. So three masks, 1 clay and 2 sheet masks. And then I thought I'd bring in some fragrance, because why not? It gives me a benefit. I'm using them anyway. I might as well track them. So the first one, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I don't think, no, this, I'm like, I have to make sure, I'm like, wait, did I put this in a project? No, I didn't. This is by Pacifica. This is Ocean Citrus, Vanilla and Lemon Body and Pillow Mist. I don't know if I can shine a light to see through there. Let me give it a try. Okay, I don't know why I didn't think of doing that beforehand, but there is where we are now. I've used quite a bit of this. I do use this as a room and linen spray as well as a body spray. It is an uplifting vanilla lemon spray, and as you can see, it goes from blue to yellow with green in the middle. So my goal is to use that up. And also from Pacifica, this is in a perfume in Enchanted Woods. Let me see if I can hold this in a way so you can see it. There you go. I will put washi tape on this to mark it, but we are just over halfway, maybe 2/3 empty right now. I really enjoy this. I will pull up scent notes to put on the screen to tell you what this smells like. I believe this scent has been discontinued because I can't find it on Pacifica's site or Ulta. But I really like this scent. And it's a really gorgeous bottle with lots of little detail-y things on there. I really enjoy this scent. Yeah, if you have one, if you've had this, if you have a dupe for it, let me know, because I really like it, and I'm sad that I won't be able to get it again. I wish I'd bought more. And that's it for this month. So I'm bringing in 3 face masks and 2 fragrances, and we had 2 empties. So that brings me to 18 products I will be working on this month. And yeah, hopefully I will have better progress than I did this month on some of the makeup items. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload a video, hit the little bell next to the subscription button. And until my next video, take care. Bye-bye.